Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you remember how we made candle wicks. If you haven't watched the first part of this video yet, I will put the link in the description. When you light up your interior or exterior of your home, candles can bring comfort and luxury to your space. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a decorative candle set which you can easily DIY to brighten up your space. Basically, you need candle wax, candle wicks, and containers. Nowadays, you can buy all these stuffs online. I will add some online resources in the description. But I bought everything from the local market and found some resources around my home for this project. Additionally, you need a glue, a pan to heat the wax, a scissor to cut cotton thread cord, and for the decoration part, you need cotton thread cord and tea leaves to get the color by boiling. Let's start making candles. I'm using the candle wicks which I have prepared by myself. Glue the bottom of the candle wick, then stick it on the base of the bottle surface and let it dry. Use supportive sticks for candle wicks so that the candle wicks will not move anywhere. Now heat the candle wax and wait until it gets melted. Then carefully fill the candle container with melted candle wax. Use supportive sticks for candle wicks so that the candle wicks will not move anywhere. Finally, let it all dry. You will see a hole after the candles are dried. So again, fill it with melted candle wax and let it dry. You might have to do this couple of times to level up the candle wax in the container. Cut the candle wick if it is too lengthy than the bottleneck of the container. Okay, now our candles are ready to get decorated. I use this rope to add a minimal decorative look to the candles. I will show you how I colored this cotton rope. It's very simple. For this, you need only tea leaves. If you can use tea bags, it will be easier to you. Boil the tea leaves, filter and get the boiled tea. Add the cotton rope to the boiled tea and mix it well. Keep 15 to 20 minutes so that the cotton rope can get the tea color. Finally, let it dry. Now, glue and stick the cotton rope around the bottleneck of the container. We made candles together. Isn't it beautiful? So guys, I hope the video is helpful to you. This is a very simple DIY. So you also give a try at home. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.